Here I've got MEDION Life X5004, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first, let's open your Play Store. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to update anything. Then tap on the More icon, go to My Apps and Games, and then under Updates, you will find all applications that can be updated. So you can either update them all at once by tapping on Update All, or you can update one particular application, for example CloudPrint, by tapping on Update, and within a couple of seconds the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. As you can see here, you can come along with the progress. And that's it. Now if you scroll down, you will find this app under Recently Updated. So from now on, you can use the latest, the newest version of this application. And obviously, you can click on Update All, and then all applications will be, just go with all permissions. So just click on OK to give this permission to those applications, and then you can use your device in a normal way, and the applications will be updated in the background, as you can see. You can go here and check the progress. So that would be all. This how you can smoothly and easily update applications in your MEDION. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.